In the late 1960s, a new movement arose in the vast, arid landscapes of America's desert Southwest. This was not a movement of words, but of art. Artists yearned for something more profound, something that could encapsulate the raw power of nature and the human spirit. They sought to create art that was not confined to galleries, but that was a part of the very earth itself. Enter Robert Smithson, a visionary artist with a radical idea. Smithson believed that art was not just a reflection of the world, but a means to shape it. His ambition was to create an art form that was not just seen, but experienced. In the heart of New Mexico, Smithson found his canvas. The desolate beauty of the desert stretched out before him, a blank slate waiting to be transformed. He envisioned a work of art that would not just stand in contrast to the landscape, but would become one with it. The work was to be called Spiral Jetty. It would be a massive spiral, stretching 1,500 feet into the Great Salt Lake. Smithson would use the materials of the earth itself, basalt rocks and mud, to create this monumental sculpture. The construction of Spiral Jetty began in 1970. Smithson and a team of workers spent several months shaping the earth, carving the spiral from the barren desert floor. The work was grueling, but the artist remained undeterred, driven by his vision. As the spiral took shape, it seemed to awaken something within the earth itself. The Great Salt Lake, once still and lifeless, began to change. The spiral, now a part of the landscape, seemed to breathe life into the lake, its spiral form echoing the movement of the Earth's own geological processes. Spiral Jetty was a monument to the power of art, a testament to the human spirit's ability to shape the world around us. It was a work that was not just seen, but experienced, a work that was a part of the earth itself. Yet, Spiral Jetty was not destined to last. Within a few years, the Great Salt Lake reclaimed the spiral, submerging it beneath its waters. But the work lived on, a testament to the ephemeral nature of art and the enduring spirit of the earth. The birth of land art was a revolution in the art world. It was a movement that forever changed the way we think about art, pushing the boundaries of what art could be and what it could do. And at the heart of this movement was the spirit of the earth, a spirit that continues to inspire artists to this day.